We interrupt this program to bring you...
Yeah. Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up. Yeah. Count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up.
Oh my god, y'all see that intro? Period. Alright, so let me calm down. So the wig that y'all just saw is from Affordhair because baby, she's not $1, she's not $1,000, but she's still affordable. So with this unboxing, you get a hair clip, 2 wig caps, and of course the wig herself. And baby, she is Remy. What's wrong with me? Let me calm down. But okay, seriously, the hair type is Remy and the color is honey blonde highlights. So the color is like a honey blonde with highlights. Basically, this is what the inside looks like. The frontal is a 13x4, so y'all know you got a lot of space in the front and whatever. It goes ear to ear. It got that little strap in the middle to make the wig fit more snug. The density is 150%, so you know she's thick, and she is 20 inches. Like, girl, period. I'm sorry, I'm just really hyped because the quality of this wig, boo-boo, right here. I am just adding some foundation to make sure that it matches my skin tone well. Then I'm just gonna plop that on and make sure I like how it looks, you know, the fitting and all. Make sure I don't need to like cut off no extra lace and whatnot. So I like it. I like how it's fitting. It fits my hairline really, really good.
I make the deal, have to take it to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Yeah. Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up. Yeah. Count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Yeah. I just be off the dome. I never own no chrome. Too many foes and clothes.
So after I put the gel on my hairline, I let it get a little bit tacky, then put the wig down. I place the wig down, tie her down, make sure, Tiana, I tie her down to make sure that she don't go no place. So after this, I'm gonna be working on my edges, just the whole frontal a little bit more, but it's gonna be like all gel work.
Not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just rock what's on the shelf, and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, love the rush, I love the feel. Lately, I just wanna run it up.
Everybody's different, everybody's style is different. Some people like the slick down look like me, some people don't. If you don't, then you don't have to do this step. But I love the slick down look, so I basically took out some hair in the front that I'm gonna work on later on for the baby hair. And what I'm doing now is going in with gel, a lot of gel, because I want her to be slick, period. And for me personally, I feel like the more gel that I layer on, especially on that lace area right there, I feel like it camouflages the lace a lot more. I feel like it hides it a lot more. So if it's floating my boat, so why not?
Lately, I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Kinda check or something. I've been really in the field, let up. Yeah. I've been really in the field, let her rush, I love the feel. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Have to take it to a meal. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah. Kinda check a song. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Remy now.
So when I'm done with that, I'm gonna go back in and tie that lace down, make sure that that gel and everything just sets in place like snatched up. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna be quiet from here on out. I am just working on the baby hairs, and then we're gonna jump straight into the outro, the finished product and all that. So everything y'all need to know about this wig is gonna be in the description down below. As usual, like, y'all need to cop this, like, girl. Mood, big mood, vibes, big mood. I don't even know why I'm talking like this. What is wrong with me?
Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. I just be off the dome. I never own no chrome. Too many foes and clothes. I be at home alone. I be in zones alone. I be on road alone. I've been really in the field. Love the rush, I love the feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run 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 it up. Kinda check or something. I've been really in the field, let up. I've been really in the field, let her rush, I love the feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Remy now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just rock what's on the shelf, and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit.